I knew I was going to like my new job. When during my interview I was asked if I could sing. Now, I hesitantly replied, yes, I think I can sing. And they said, great, because it's the boss's birthday. And in came the cake with the candles, and we sang happy birthday during my job interview. It seems a little bit weird and unorthodox, but I have to say it was a lot of fun. I think we ought to have fun at work. But also, I think we could take it a little deeper and think about bringing a spirit of playfulness into our workplace. Play is anything that we do for enjoyment. And if you think about your work and think about the kinds of things that you do for enjoyment in your work, I think you can find ways to bring play to your work. For instance, solving problems creatively with your colleagues, you can do that with a spirit of playfulness. How about joking around in the lunchroom, tossing a ball back and forth as you talk? Any of those kinds of playful activities can enhance our creativity, but more importantly, build relationships and connections between us and our colleagues. All of those things enhance our trust and our ability to work together well. So go ahead, play at work.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.